Salt, oh salt, though you are so small, in every dish you give flavor to all. A pinch, a sprinkle, oh how delicious. Even simple meals, you make them auspicious. But if you lose your savor, you're useless then, no longer a savior. May we be salt to our fellow men, bringing inspiration, doing all we can. Like salt, our purpose is simple and clear, to give flavor, not to hide, not to fear. Especially to the poor whose hearts thirst for more. Give them hope, dreams they can truly adore. But if you lose your savor, you're useless then, no longer a savior. May we be salt to our fellow man, bringing inspiration, doing all we can. No need to be grand or widely known. What truly matters is the kindness we've shown. Be salt to the world, a light in the dark, the taste of hope, leaving its mark. Salt, oh salt, your lesson we embrace, to be